Hey folks, I wanted to say thank you for all the new followers. And I thought I'd try a little science experiment here, a demonstration, and see if it works, just as a little thank you. Let's see how it goes. So the little semi-precious stones I've got here are known as Oculus Mundi stones, and I want to see what happens when I dump them into this dish of water. And we're going to leave them there for a bit and see what happens. Okay, let's see what we got. Can you see the difference? Let's take these out of here. Which takes some doing. You may notice that a lot of these have become extremely transparent, almost looking like glass. And that's what these Oculus Mundi stones, or hydrophane opal, are known for, is becoming transparent after they've been soaked in water for a while. So the explanation for Oculus Mundi is pretty straightforward. It's just that the stone is actually very porous, and when water fills into the gaps, it makes it a uniform material that light can pass through easily. When the stone is dry, all of those little pores scatter light and make the stone opaque. Now, the interesting thing about this is that Isaac Newton studied Oculus Mundi back when he wrote his optics book in the late 1600s, early 1700s. And the Oculus Mundi stone he used to formulate kind of his own idea of what makes matter opaque in general or not. And he argued that opacity is caused by the fact that those smallest bits of matter have gaps between them. And the more gaps there are between the material, the more the light scatters around them and the more the material appears opaque. Turns out this isn't in general true, though it is true for some materials like paper. Paper is a bunch of basically fibers, and those fibers are all intertwined and they obstruct light. But if you soak a piece of paper in oil, you end up with being able to see through it. So Newton was not right in general, but he was right in the specifics, and Oculus Mundi makes for a really interesting historical note about optics. Hope you found that interesting. We'll see you again soon. Thanks.